COBOL tips and code open. Sort using giving. Sort input procedure. Output procedure. Checkcon. Hi everybody, this PPT was made by Nestor ACHA. The notes will be read by the automatic voice of Word Office. Thank you very much for being interested in seeing it. The Checkcon 0006 program implements the internal sort utility with the using and giving parameters. Note that all three files are sequential txt type and of the same length. Please, always remember that sort work area must use sort description SD and never use file description FD. Here we show the three files that are used in the program Checkcon 0006. Note that the input file is in disorder. Note that the sort work area file must not contain records. Note that the output file is ordered. With sort using giving format you cannot total records. The Checkcon 0007 program implements the internal sort utility with the input procedure and output procedure parameters. Sort work area must use sort description SD, never file description FD. File input, file sort y file outs must be the same length. We recommend using input and output procedure format instead of using giving format because it allows you to handle control totals. To better understand this sort format, let's think that input procedure is a subprogram and output procedure another subprogram, and that each one complies with the listing pattern. Theory applied to this program Checkcon 0007. Please note that the logic used in input procedure and output procedure is same of the listing type that we have been studying in presentations 001, 002, and 003. If we can identify it, we will see that the programming is made very simple. And the start process of input procedure and output procedure we do. 1. Open the file. 2. Validate that they opened well. 3. Read the first record of the file. And the record process of input procedure and output procedure we do. 1. Move the fields of the read record to the exit. 2. Write the data to the output. 3. Accumulate 1 to the record counter. 4. Read the next record of the file. In the E&D process of input procedure and output procedure we do 1. Close the files. 2. Validate that they closed the files well. Please note that we have omitted the validate of return code from open files to facilitate the understanding of logic. It is very important that read record must be the last instruction of
the main process paragraph.
Here we show the three files that are used in the program Checkcon 0007. Note that the input file is in disorder. Note that the sort work area file must not contain records. Note that the output file is ordered. With sort using input and output procedure format you have the control, and you can total records. The latest. An expert COBOL programmer has programmed schemes that he will reuse according to the situation, but what must always be maintained on good practices such as 1. Underline paragraphs. 2. A good indentation to align verbs and words pick from to value. 3. Use preset field names with W if they are working, with R if they are report, with T if they are tables or totals, with F if they are files. For use only letters, numbers, and hyphens in names. 5. Use a lot of commentary helping to understand who is going to read our program. All these recommendations can be searched on the web and should be of additional use to the standards of the installation where you are working on. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck.